Elotes today, y'all. Mexican corn in a cup.
So here are the ingredients you will need. You'll need frozen corn. Trust me, do not use canned corn. I tried it, it doesn't work. So if you don't cut your corn off the cob, next best thing is going to be frozen corn. Cream cheese, butter, water, milk, sugar, American cheese. So make sure you use American cheese. Don't use another kind of cheese. It is not going to work for this recipe. So we have to use exactly what we have here. Now, what the original recipe calls for is 3 times the amount that I'm making today. But I'm making a smaller amount because I'm cooking for a smaller amount of people. So a smaller number of people. So that's why. Anyway, how's everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's fine today. I'm good. So far, so good. I've had my coffee. It is morning time here, so I've enjoyed a cup of coffee, and am I glad. So everything goes into a crock pot. Now, if you put it into a pot, a regular pot, and put it on the stove, you'll have to watch it. You have to keep coming back stirring it. But if you put it in a slow cooker, it frees you up to be able to make some other dishes while you're cooking that. So the best thing, as far as I'm concerned, is put it in the slow cooker. It's going to slow cook around 3 hours, so that's good for you. If you got to make meat, some other sides or main dishes, you're good with that. So that it works out. It works out way better than you think. Now, here's the best thing about this recipe. Everything goes right into the crock pot. It cooks for you. You come back in a number of hours and bam, it's ready. That's how easy it is. So trust me on that one. Believe me, I'm telling the truth. Easiest recipe. Children love it. Adults love it. Anybody that likes corn in a cup. Elotes. Mexican corn. Will love this because you can eat this plain, or else you can add the Parmesan cheese and the hot pepper that you normally would put on elotes when you get it. But trust me, this corn is good without that. I made this for holidays. I made it in the summertime for backyard barbecues. This recipe is versatile. It works for all kinds of occasions. So trust me on that one. Guess what? Crock pot on low. Lid on. And hey, what can I tell you? Come back in about an hour. Since you put everything in here, come back in about an hour. Stir it. Believe me, you can leave it for the other 2 hours. You can come back, stir it again. You're good to go. So guess what? See you in a few hours.
Ha! I changed my clothes, y'all. Check this out. I did come back in an hour and stir it. Now it's been 3 hours, so I stirred it really well at the end of the 3 hours now, and now I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can plate this. So one of them is in a glass and the other one is in a bowl. So now I'm showing you I'm using cayenne pepper and I'm using fresh Parmesan cheese, but you can use chili powder, the the dry Parmesan cheese that's on the shelf usually, or you can use this fresh. It'll work out, and you do not need the mayonnaise because the ingredients that we put in here covers that part of it. So if you think about the elotes you buy off the street, they put that they put that mayonnaise on it, and then the cheese, and then the pepper. So here I'm going to put it in a bowl. First, I'm going to wipe the bowl off, everything so it can be neat. Then I'm going to put it in a glass. I'm going to show you how to do it in a glass, but normally for parties, I'll put it in those little plastic cups. Nope. I'm going to get another glass because what happened with this one is it's running all down the side of it, and I don't want to show that for presentation. I really want to do it the correct way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to step away for a moment, get another glass, then I'm going to come back and do it correctly. So, because I had that ladle, and what it is I needed something just a little bit smaller to put it into the glass a little bit neater. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get it in here, and then I'm going to show you. And then at the end of this presentation, at the end of this, I'm going to show you what it looks like in a glass and what it looks like in a bowl after I've plated it. So you can choose which one you like best, and that's the one you do. Or hey, you can put it in one of those styrofoam white cups and eat it with a spoon. It works out just fine. Don't make no never mind. It's up to you, baby. Do what you like. Do what's going to make you happy. Eating it going to make me happy, so it don't make me no difference which one of these I eat it out of. I just want to eat it. Yes, I'm a little hungry. 3 hours later, I've been slaving in the kitchen. See, I got my chef jacket on. I wasn't playing. I've been throwing down. Girl ain't playing up in here. Y'all hear me? All right. Spoon that in there. Put the cheese, put the pepper. But to be truthful, this is good without the cheese or the pepper. So it really doesn't make a difference. Whether you put that on there, you can eat this right out of the pot just like it is. Which most people that come here during parties or events, that's what they usually do. Nobody really puts that cheese on it, but I like it with the cheese and the pepper. And I also like it with cheese and chili powder. So check that out in that glass or that cup. So that bowl, just a bigger portion of it for somebody like me that's really, really hungry, because today I'm super, super hungry. I'm famished. So I'll get the meat with it later, but right now I'm about to eat this because it's still kind of sort of lunchtime. So I'm going to eat that for a snack, and then I'll come back later. So, all right, coming right up, just these few seconds, I'm going to show you what it looks like in a bowl and then in a glass. Appreciate y'all spending this time with me. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, share, and by all means, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Bye.